So hey guys, welcome to our new channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon on and wait for the latest updates. So here today we're going to show you how you could get reply from big celebrities. Like this. This is my account, my IG account, and now you can see pewdipie, Cristiano, everyone had replied to me, right? This is just a trick which you can prank your friends. So today I'm gonna show this on my account. All you have to do is make another fake account on Instagram. So I have a fake account. So you have to add the person above that plus sign. Click the plus sign and type in the celebrity you want to add or you want to get the reply from. So I am typing here Jake Paul and my name, and we made a chat and just type in something, hey, hello, or something else, send, and then you have to leave that conversation. With that fake account you have to leave that conversation, and after you have left that conversation, go back to your original account. Then you will see that yes, the Jake Paul has replied. This is just a simple trick you can do at home. And see, you can see that. Don't open it. You can fool your friends with this trick. See, I have done many things.
Just another trick to fool your friends.
So this is just a simple trick you can do at home to fool your friends. So you can do it and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that, and see you later. Big.